What's up, foodies? Today we are going to make my mom's New Year's Eve cheese ball. She used to make this all the time when I was a kid, and today we're going to make it with a little bit of twist. I have some leftover boxes of Jewels Under the Kilt nuts. These are the apple pie pecans. Really good. They're going to be a nice crust to the cheese ball, so let's get into it. Now add in 1 pound of room temperature cream cheese. Then we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, followed up by 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, add in half a small finely diced onion, a teaspoon of salt, mix on medium to well combine, scraping down the sides as needed. Now that it's combined, toss in 1 cup or 100 grams of sharp cheddar cheese and give that a mix until it's fully incorporated. Now we're going to try to shape this into a ball before we take it out of the mixer. Now, using a pair of gloves or using wet hands, form this mixture into a ball and then roll it into our pecan nut mixture to form a nice crust on the outside. Now we're going to take this and place it into a fridge for about an hour to 2 hours, or until you're ready to use it, so it just firms up a bit. Slide it in the middle of the plate. We'll pop this bad boy right into the fridge for about an hour until we're ready to use it. Here we go. And there you have it. That's all you need to make a nice cheese ball for your New Year's Eve party, or any party you're having. Pour yourself a drink, foodies. I'll have a bit of screech. There we go. Cheers to a great 2022 and an amazing 2023. Happy New Year, foodies. Ooh, that's some strong stuff. Foodie out.